In today's video, we're answering a simple but important question. How much does Gamma app cost, and how can you quickly tell whether you need to upgrade? If you're using Gamma to create presentations, web pages, or documents, understanding the credit system can save you time and help you decide whether the free plan is enough for your needs. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, go to your Gamma workspace and look at your homepage dashboard. This is where Gamma gives you a quick overview of your account, your projects, and most importantly, your credit balance. In the top right corner, you should see a balance indicator. That number tells you exactly how many credits you have left to use. Now, if you're on the free version, Gamma gives you a one-time gift of 400 credits. The key thing to understand is that these credits do not refresh automatically every month. So once you use them up, that balance stays at zero unless you upgrade or get more access through a paid plan. That means the free plan is best if you only need Gamma occasionally, or if you're just testing the platform before committing to anything. If you're wondering whether Gamma costs anything for you right now, the easiest way to decide is to check how many credits you have left and what you actually need to do. If you still have credits available, you may be able to keep creating without upgrading yet. But if your credits are exhausted, that's usually the point where upgrading becomes necessary. Another reason people upgrade is to remove the Made with Gamma watermark. If you're creating content for clients, business use, or a more professional presentation, removing that branding can make a big difference. So even if you still have some credits, you might still want to explore the paid plans if you need a cleaner, more polished result. To see your options, click the upgrade icon inside Gamma. This will open the available plans and show you what each one includes. You'll be able to compare the accessibility and features offered by each plan, so you can decide which one fits your workflow best. Take a moment to review what's included, especially if you care about more credits, advanced usage, or removing branding. Once you've looked through the available plans, choose the one that matches your needs. If you're only using Gamma for small projects, the free credits may be enough for now. But if you're using it regularly or professionally, upgrading can give you more flexibility and a smoother experience. So, in short, Gamma's free plan gives you 400 credits one time, and those credits do not automatically refill. If you run out, or if you want to remove the Made with Gamma watermark, that's when you should check the upgrade options and pick the plan that works for you. If this video helped you understand how much Gamma app costs, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.